Hey, hey, hey. So trying to keep a little bit of a consistent habit and going live and giving you some information and seeing what we can do with that. So today I've got about 10 minutes before I've got another call. I'm doing loads and loads of website health checks and sessions, which are amazing and so much fun. So if you do want to grab one of those, jump on over. I'm going to pop the link in the comments there. So that is to grab a website health check. And what I'm doing on these sessions, I'll just type this out, is actually taking a really good look at your current website, seeing what's working for you at the moment, where you could do some slight improvements to increase some conversions and get more clients from your website, and overall giving you some tips that you can either take action on straight away or you can get help with. I'm always happy to help out with that. So it's been great fun because I'm seeing a lot of different sites, making a lot of different changes and things and seeing some great results for clients, potential clients as well. So it's awesome fun. So if you do want to grab a health check, be sure to check out the link in the comments just there. And if you pop on live, if you're watching the replay, jump on and give me a shout out, say hey, let me know where you are watching from, and we'll get stuck in. So today I want to go through a couple of things that I've been seeing quite regularly, and things that are coming up really consistently. I was really hoping I could share a screen share in here, but it's not looking like it'll let me. So today I want to cover 3 things that you must have on your homepage to keep visitors to stick around. So you want them to actually spend more time on your site so that they can learn more about you and really get to know what you're doing and how you can help them. And the top 3 ways that I recommend doing that are to make sure that your homepage is actually really inviting, but it gives all of the details that they need to know about you straight off the bat. So you want to make sure that your website is really quick to load. Optimizing that is phenomenal. The quicker that you can get your site, the better, because we're all impatient. None of us want to wait around too long. So getting that speed up will really help you there. The other thing that you want to make sure is that your website is mobile responsive. So making sure that the site acts beautifully on a mobile phone as well. And that's a big thing. You don't want to make sure that it just shrinks. You want to make sure that it actually works natively for a mobile phone. Really important. And if a designer ever tells you that that is extra, tell them to shove off. It's not, it's minimum standard practice. So just don't ever take that bullshit. Okay, so back to my point. The one thing you want to do is have a really strong message on your page. Have a really quick call to action that says, hey, this is what I do, this is who I do it for, and this is how you can work with me. Getting that out in your top sentence on your website is crucial. So you need to have that on your page and make it so simple. Going back to that keep it simple, stupid motto, you want to take everything out of that. I actually give my clients some exercises to do with this, and we include some templates and stuff to really brainstorm what that looks like for you. So checking that out and getting that message specific is crucial. It's the first thing someone's going to see, and it is the turning point that says, okay, I'm going to stick around. I like what they do, or it's not for me. I'm going to back away. So now your message. Number 2, provide social proof. We like to know what other people think of you. We are very social creatures at the moment. We're all doing social media. It's all coming together to create those connections, and seeing that someone else has a positive experience working with you goes leaps and bounds to having someone else work with you as well. So getting your social proof on your homepage, make sure you have some testimonials going around. If you're anything like me, I actually have before and afters that I include on my sites as well. Again, showing a transformation, showing an actual outcome that really works for your clients. So I know my clients want to see the work that I've done already. So I put that smack bang straight at the top of my homepage. So you can check that out while you go through straight off the bat. You can check that out. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you've got clear directions to get to the next piece of the puzzle. So that can be an opt-in, a lead magnet. It can be linking to a Start Here page where you detail a little bit more about you, links to your About Me page, because we're all sticky beaks and want to know who we are talking to and who's behind the business as well, or even links to your Work With Me page. But you want to make sure that you give a clear direction for the very next step that they need to take. So again, going back to my video yesterday, if you haven't seen it, check it out. It's on my Facebook page. But you want to go in and give a clear direction for what to do next when they jump on your site. That is really, really crucial to making sure that your website is really high converting and works for your business and works really hard for your business so that you don't have to. So going back just quickly, because I'm running out of time here, the top 3 things that you need on your homepage are a compelling message. Get it clear and straight and to the point of what your business does and why you do it and who you do it for. Get that down in 1 sentence and you are gold. The next thing you want to do is give them social proof. So show your clients that you've done the work before, that they can trust you and that real people approve of you. Really horrible way to put it, but we all want to know that someone else has been through the experience first and we're not the guinea pig. So jump in, make sure that you've got your social proof on your homepage and get that right as well. Step number 3 is make sure that you can actually tell your client where to go next. Give them clear directions on the next step to work with you. That being said, if you want to work with me, I'm currently opening up bookings for launches in end of May, June. It's a tight schedule at the moment, but I am taking on a couple of new clients before that end of financial year. If you are an Aussie business coming up to the end of financial year, you can get some great tax benefits in booking your website now, even if you want to delay it for a few months to get started. So first step is to jump on a call with me. We go through the website health check and make sure that we've got an absolute foundation for your business. Whether you want to work with me or not, that's completely up to you. I'd still love to help create a generating website for you. I want to make sure that your business is getting the clients and the commissions and the income that you really deserve. So go ahead, click the link in the comments and let's have a chat about what your website's doing and how we can improve it for you. Till next time, I'll see you later.